YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, man. I got an unboxing for y'all today that I'm really excited about. You guys already saw it, know what it is. You read the title, saw the thumbnail, and know what it is. But before we get into it, man, if you're new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. The goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We're sitting at 515 right now, showing consistent growth. Let's just keep growing. Also, man, since you're here, you might as well hit that like button. Go ahead, hit that like button. Helps the channel, helps videos get shown to you and shown to others. And then last but not least, follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information there first. The shoe that I'm unboxing today, you know what I'm saying, has a pretty distinctive box. Posted the picture of the box on my story last night, and I did post a picture of the sneakers this morning, so you do get a lot of information there first because it's just an easier platform to get information out on than YouTube. But now that all that's out of the way, man, that's enough talking. Let's get into the video, man. So right away, let's just look at the box. Here it is. Dang. So if you guys have been around and watching the Anonymous Sneakerhead for a while, if you've been a part of the family, you know that one of my favorite parts of sneakers is presentation. Presentation means so much to me. That's why I was so upset when I wasn't able to get those Why Not 03s with the Super Soaker packaging. I'm just trying to think off the top of my head. There's the Breaking Bad shoes with the periodic table packaging. You got the Stranger Things shoes with the Starcourt Mall packaging, and you got the Hare 6s right there, paying homage to the Space Jam movie. Obviously, you get the, instead of Air Jordan, you got Hare Jordan, and the carrot right there for Bugs Bunny. We did see this box also on the Hare 7 2.0s, which are actually on sale on Nike right now for $180, and I do have a $25 gift card. I was really close to getting them if they were in my size, just to have them. And probably get rid of them right after. But let's open up this box and get into it. Enough talking about the box. Actually, before we open it up, right here you got the Air Jordan on the side. Nice white box all the way around. Jumpman next to the size tag. Jumpman at the bottom of the carrot, and then nothing else on the rest of the box. So, to read the label of the box, the official colorway is, this is an Air Jordan 6 Retro. The official colorway is neutral gray, black and white, which is interesting because there is obviously some multicolor in there. So let's just open the box really quick. First thing you get is that iconic Hare pattern paper right there, that 90s pattern. So we're gonna open it up. Boom. Just like any SE box where you get black paper, you're gonna get your Hare paper first, and then you're gonna get your white paper. You're gonna open it up, and you're gonna have your left shoe. So, alright, YouTube, man, here it is, the Jordan 6 Hare. Let me fix that lighting right there. There you can see it, man. Beautiful, beautiful shoe. So on the app, in the official colorway, it is given that neutral gray, as you can see right here. Neutral gray on the toe as well as throughout the rest of the shoe. Then the overlays, you got the white leather overlays going around to the heel of the shoe with the purple Jumpman Air on the back. So we did know that these were supposed to come out last week. Then they were supposed to come out this week. Now they're coming out next week. They were still released overseas on time last week. So that's how the homie was able to get a pair of these from a website called SVD. Really excited that he got them. Hit me up, told me he was getting them. Let me do a review on them. Couldn't turn that down. Definitely wanted to do the early review for you guys. He's selling these, so that's why I'm not being too, that's why I'm trying to be gentle with him. I don't want to be too rough with him, take any value out of him. Trying to keep him as pristine as possible. But man, I'm jealous of y'all overseas that have your pairs in hands already. Those of you that already have a pair, let me know down below what you think of them. I just can't wait to get my size 12 pairs so I can rock them. I will definitely be wearing them day of. But yeah, guys, super excited to have it in hand. Now, I said it before and I said it again. To me, usually, like when it comes to 3s, 4s, I'm not too big on whether it's a Jumpman or a Nike Air. But the Jumpman looks a little weird on, more so on 5s to me. It looks okay on this 6. But on 5s and 6s, the Jumpman sometimes looks a little weird to me. Then on the outsole, we have that same purple Jumpman. And then the part that a lot of people weren't sure about, I heard a lot of people calling this color pink. It's not a pink, it's a red, but it's like a translucent red. Think of like the difference between a white outsole and a milky white outsole. How you have some sneakers with a milky white outsole. The first one that comes to mind is the 72 and 10 Jordan. Actually, the Jordan 11. But actually, let me get these. So you got your regular red outsoles, right? And then you got a milky white outsole. So this outsole is definitely red. It's just like the outsole on these right here. On a Bread 11, see how it's a red, but it's a translucent red. Red, but a translucent red, so it's definitely not pink. I heard people knocking it saying, oh, I don't like how they put the pink on there. But it is not pink after having them in hand. Now, something that I was really worried about was the tongue, because one of the defining characteristics of the Hare 7 was the tongue with all of the funky colors like you saw on the paper there, and the pattern, and it's pretty muted on here, and it's dark on the back of it, but as you can see they have it dark. Looks like they put in a dark textile of it and then put a translucent rubber tongue piece over it. I actually, in person, now that I have the shoe in person, kind of understand why they did that. To me, if they just left it with the darker hair pattern, it might have overpowered the rest of the shoe. This shoe is a lot more calm than the Hare 7, even though it is the same general idea. I personally like these more than the Hare 7. Now, it's not because of the hype, because I got it in hand. Oh, you like them more than the Hare 7 just because you got them in hand and you're doing the video. If you go back to my old videos when we were just seeing pictures of these, I even said, yo, I like these more than the Hare 7s. Now, it's part of that because I just don't like Jordan 7s in general. I don't have a pair. I would like to get an OG pair because I'm trying to get OGs 1 through 7. But Jordan 7s have never been my thing. I like the air bubble on the 6. And I do like, to me, a Jordan 7 looks like a Jordan 6 that lost weight. I like the thicker look of the Jordan 6. I like the bubbles on the ankle. So I'm really excited that they put the Hare colorway to a Jordan 6. They also did do the Hare 2.0 with that Jordan 7 with the gray hair. It's actually sitting on the Nike website right now on sale for $180, and it retailed for $250. So it's just going to keep going down and down. But yeah, man, these things are beautiful to have in person. Another nice detail is the little carrot you have for the little pull tab or the lace lock, whatever you want to call it, right there. The orange bottom with the green top, kind of just like the carrot on the box. Really cool touch. We also have the red, the nice satin red lace lock. I call this a lace lock. What do you guys call this? Because some of y'all call this a lace lock. Honestly, I just call both of them a lace lock. But what do you guys call this part of a Jordan 6? Let me know down below in the comment. But really dope color on there. Matches the red. Pulls out the red on the heel as well. Very minimal red, but it does just enough pop. Does exactly what you needed to do, man. Like I said, this is probably the most bittersweet unboxing that I've ever done, because this is a sneaker that I've been looking forward to all year since they announced it. And here it is in the 9.5, not in my size. If the homie had this in the 12, you best believe I would have bought it, and I would have been doing the on foot right now as we speak for y'all. But I do have a bunch of raffles in for next week, so hopefully I can hit on at least just one of them so I can do an on foot for y'all after looking at the outsole in person too. Something that I wasn't sure if I was going to do it or not, because it was white and red, not necessarily clear. But because of the type of red, like I said, I'll call it like a gummy red, the translucent red, I will be doing a sole protector on these just to keep that clean. This is going to be a tough shoe to keep clean. That's the problem with the Hare 7 colorway, as well as it is now on the 6. It's a tough shoe to keep clean. You got that grayish, really light gray suede. That's going to scuff really easy, so you got to be careful. Don't wear these in no big crowds. Don't go out kicking people, kicking rocks, playing basketball in these things, man, if you want to keep them clean. White leather. Now, leather in general is easy to keep clean, but this is white, so you're definitely going to want to spray these down with some type of stain repellent. I recommend the GOAT Shoe Care Stain Repellent. That's what I've been using for all of my sneakers. Works really, really well. Works just like anything else on the market, guys. And then the last touch, man, I'll throw a picture of it on the screen, because once again, this isn't my shoe, so I don't want to get into pulling it apart and taking out insoles and everything. But on the insole, you do have that hair pattern, which is a really, really, really dope touch, man. Really excited for these to come out, man. The Air Jordan 6 Hare. Is this the Jordan of the year? To me, as of right now, after having them in person, as of right now, if no more Jordans came out this year, this is the Jordan release of the year to me. Yes, over the Flint 13s. And if you guys have been keeping up with my top 10s, over the Court Purples, even over the Black Cat 4s, for me, really excited to have these in hand. Hopefully I could get my own pair so I could add it to my top 10. But, God, man, these things are nice. That is it for this video, guys. I am the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. If you guys are new here, man, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Help the channel grow. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We're at 515 right now. Also, smash that like button for more videos like this, more sneaker reviews, more sneaker talks. You know what I'm saying? Just make sure you smash the like button. Really helps the channel. Goes a long way. Follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information there. First posted about these already. Threw a little teaser of them last night and then posted about them there this morning. So make sure you follow that. Get a lot of information there first, guys. I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead. the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, and as always, it's all about the sneakers.